Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's the 118 M Sport, top of the range, beautiful condition, rare colour combination, which is lovely. As you can see, it's got the lovely, deeper, aggressive rear spoiler being the M Sport, front park distance control, facelift model, diamond cut 5-spoke alloy wheels, black pack all around the car and the windows. A lovely deeper rear spoiler and diffuser on the rear park distance control as well. It's got full Parktronic. Full service history. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd. A lovely boot area, got the rear parcel shelf, got the lovely contrasting trim, and we've got the carpet mats there as well, rear USBs, electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the seat bolster whatsoever, automatic headlights, all the beautiful facelift interior, dials, 53,045 miles on the clock. You've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, computer, push start. Absolutely sounds lovely. You can see there you've got your different driving modes, sport, comfort, it even comes up here, Eco Pro. Full climate control, 3-stage heated seats, max aircon, Bluetooth connectivity for music, DAB. You've got your satellite navigation there, communications pack, another auxiliary there, there's an auxiliary there as well, 6-speed gearbox. It's fully loaded, absolutely fully loaded. Parktronic. It's got your apps and everything there as well. At DJH we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.